In today's video, I will walk you through how to add new users to your Xero organization. Start by locating your business name in the top left corner of your Xero dashboard. Click on your business name, then select Settings from the menu. Once you're in Settings, find and select Users. This will open the section where you can manage the users connected to your organization. Look in the top right corner of your dashboard and select New User. You'll now be prompted to enter the new user's details. Enter their name and email address, then select the permissions that match their role. Choose the appropriate level of access based on what the user needs to see and do within your organization. Once you've entered the name and email address and selected the required permissions, review the information to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, send the invitation. This will send an invitation to the email address you entered. The new user will receive the invitation by email. They'll need to accept the invitation and create their Xero account if they don't already have one. After they accept the invitation and complete the required setup, they'll be able to access your Xero organization according to the permissions you selected. This completes the process for adding a new user to your Xero organization. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.